Hello foodies! Ever have one of those days where you want something tasty but not too heavy? Well, I've got you covered. Well, today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, we are making lettuce wraps that are simply out of this world. For the game plan of this, it really takes simple ingredients. For this recipe, we need 1 pound of cubed up chicken, or you could use ground chicken. Here I've got boneless, skinless thighs or chicken breast. You get to choose what you want to do. I'm going to be using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm gonna wanna trim up a little bit of that fat for a better texture, but I like using the thighs because they have such a great flavor to them. When you cube your chicken, you do want it really small. That is perfectly cubed up nice and fine. A few other items we need to prep are 1 medium onion that I'm going to finely dice. And then I'm taking 8 ounces of water chestnuts, and I'm gonna dice those up to little pieces as well. I love water chestnuts because they really carry the flavor of whatever the dish is, but they maintain their crunchiness. A little bit of prep, and now we're gonna head over to the stove. Over at the stove, I'm using a large wok, but you could use a skillet as well. Over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to a pan. Once the oil's heated up, go ahead and add in that chicken. Season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give that a few stirs and let that cook for 6 to 8 minutes. The chicken's browned up a bit, so we're gonna add in our onions and let those cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Give it a stir and let those onions cook about 3 to 4 minutes. We want them to soften up and get a little bit of color on them. Now we're gonna add in those 8 ounces of chopped up water chestnuts, 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Give that a stir and let that cook all together for about 5 more minutes. While that's cooking and coming together so perfectly, we're gonna make a simple sauce. To make this sauce, in a bowl I'm gonna add in 1/3 cup of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of Asian chili garlic sauce. If you like heat, you can definitely add more. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Go ahead and whisk that all together. All you gotta do is pour that sauce right onto that mixture. Stir to combine that and let that cook for about 5 more minutes. What that will do is let that sauce thicken up and really tighten to those morsels of heaven. Now to assemble these, you simply take your leaf lettuce, you're gonna scoop some of that delicious mixture into there, sprinkle with some freshly chopped green onions. Now to taste test it. That's the good stuff. Now it's time for you guys to make these in your own home. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.